Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to start with a brief conversation. I was on the road the other day. I had my daughter, my youngest one, and it was foggy. So she said, "Dad, it's kind of spooky." It made me realize, well, today it was also foggy. So it made me realize we've been trained from the moment we were raised as children that when situations come in our life, they can be good or bad. Like there's no in between. And we react accordingly, psychosomatically. What we're going to do today is a brief meditation that allows us to understand that the fog is going to go away. Every situation that comes into our lives, eventually it's going to go away. Just like the fog, you don't need to stress. And you don't need to put yourself inside the fog. Right? It's just like a cloudy day and there's rain. There's rain and there's rain. Sure, okay. So if I go out in the rain, I'm going to get wet. That's fine. But eventually, rain is going to stop. I'd like you to get in a position to meditate with me. Like I said, this brief meditation is to center us and allow us to understand that we're not the problem. Problems come and go, just like the fog does. It burns out, comes out again, it burns out, just like the rain comes and goes. We are not the problem. If you decide to make yourself part of the problem, then your life is totally different. You're not going to be happy. If you decide to step back and pull yourself away from the problem, it's like waiting for the fog to burn out or waiting for the rain to stop. That's what you should do. That's what you should strive for, all of us. So get in a position of meditation. You can sit on the floor, like I do. I like the floor, yeah. Have your spine erect. If that's not comfortable, use a chair. Sit on a chair. Your feet on the ground, palms on your legs. If it's not comfortable for you to keep an erect spine, then by all means, lay down in bed. Okay? We're going to start with 3 deep breaths, and then after that, just do your normal breathing. It's all good. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath from your nose. Inhale. Hold it. Hold it. And exhale from the mouth. Take another deep breath from the nose. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale from the mouth. One more deep breath through the nose. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale from the mouth. Now continue breathing at your own pace, at your own will. I want you to visualize yourself on the beach. It's a cloudy day, very foggy. There's nobody at the beach. But you're there. You're alone. Now see how you feel in the fog. Does it make you feel uncomfortable? Are you scared? How do you feel? You're all alone at the beach. Is there fear going through you? Feel it. Feel that fear. Feel that anxiety that you're all alone. And you have 1,000 thoughts running through your head that something might happen because you're alone in the fog at the beach. Now stop. Don't think this way anymore. Now, just walk away walk away from the spot you're at. Find yourself still on the beach or under an umbrella. It's one of those beach umbrellas. Just sit there. Look out in the horizon. Look at a crack in the clouds. The fog is just burning out in that spot. You can see a crack through the crack. You can see light, the sun. Concentrate on the sun. That's all you need. With every breath you take, feel the warmth of the sun coming through the clouds, through the fog. The sun's warmth, the sun's rays, they're burning the fog. And the clouds are slowly clearing up. Concentrate on the sun. Remember, you are not the fog. You're not the clouds. You're not even the rain. Concentrate on the sun. It's bright. The rays are warm. They're warming you up as you sit under that umbrella. Look to your left. Suddenly you see two people, a couple, holding hands, walking along the beach. You can see them from far away. Now look to your right. There's a woman walking her dog. She's coming your way. All of a sudden, there's people around you. There's no need to be afraid of anything. Concentrate on the sun. The space in the clouds is getting wider. The fog is burning all over. The warmth of the sun, you can feel it on your face, on your body. You just want to look at it. It's getting brighter. So now you want to close your eyes and just feel the warmth of the sun. Suddenly you hear children's voices laughing. It breaks your concentration. You open your eyes and you look to your left. And right in front of that couple, there's an entire family that came to the beach. 5 children, a mother, a father, and what looks like a grandfather and a grandmother. They're all setting up their small tent because they're expecting the sun to burn away the fog and the clouds to go away. They expect a beautiful day to come. They know it. And so do you. Now look to your right. The woman with the dog is approaching. She's 10 feet away from you. She looks at you. She smiles and she says, "It's gonna be a beautiful day, isn't it?" That brings a smile to your face. Reply back, "Yes, it is a beautiful day. And it will be even better once the sun comes out." Concentrate on the sun. Soak in the rays. Watch it burn away the fog and the clouds. Half of the sky is blue already. Remind yourself, you're not the fog. You're not the clouds. You're not the problem. You're not the anxiety. You're not the fear. You are the sun. Feel the sun outside of your body and inside of your body, all around you. Now look up at the sky and see all the clouds, they're gone. It's a clear blue sky. No fog, no clouds, just the sun. It's so bright you can't even look at it anymore directly. Just close your eyes and absorb the heat. Absorb the rays inside you, outside you, all around you. Hear the laughter of the children as they're playing on the beach. Get out of the umbrella you're sitting under. Feel the sun engulf your entire body. Feel it. It's beautiful. It's warm. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Come back to the here and now, where you are. This short meditation is to remind all of us that we control how we feel. We don't allow the fog, the clouds, the problems, the situations, the toxic people around us to control how we feel. If at any time you need to, find a space, a quiet space, and find yourself on that beach again. Find the sun and remind yourself you're not the fog, you're not the clouds, you're not the problem, you're not the toxicity other people have, you're not the situation you find yourself in. Step out of it and understand you are who you are, but you're not any of the problems. Hope you have a blessed day.